Hi, we are Simone and Lærke, and we are currently working on our master's thesis, which we have called Sustainability in Praxis in a Comprehensive and Tangible Way. What triggered the idea for our master's thesis is the fact that many consumers find it difficult to buy or find sustainable products. Have you, for instance, ever wondered which vegetables are most sustainable? Is it the ones from your own garden or the organic ones from the supermarket? Or have you ever wondered how your groceries actually end up at the dinner table?
Words like sustainability, climate and environmental friendly are popular buzzwords. Many companies would like to brand their products as sustainable, and therefore there has been problems with greenwashing, which refers to false green marketing. The reason why there's been problems with greenwashing is that sustainability is a fluffy term which is difficult to handle and understand.
In our thesis, we want to investigate what sustainability in praxis actually is for both consumers and companies. In relation to consumers, we want to find out how the consumer can be guided in order to make a sustainable choice. And in relation to companies, we want to find out how companies can use sustainability more actively. To do so, we needed a case company, and we chose Udstilles's, which is a Danish company who delivers organic fruit and vegetables directly to the consumer's doorstep. The company was founded in 1999 and has since then become known as an innovative company within the food industry. Udstilles's vision is to re-establish the earth connection so that their customers know how the food gets from the earth to the dinner table.
We have focused on two of Udstilles's vegetable boxes, the Dogme box and the Basis box. The Dogme box only consists of Danish-produced vegetables and has huge variations throughout the different seasons. The Basis box is more consistent in its content because it has vegetables from all over the globe. By comparing these two boxes, we will be able to determine which of the boxes is most sustainable.
To make the term sustainability more understandable, we believe that it's necessary to look at the network around the product, and therefore we made an actor network. In order to identify actors, we took point of departure in the Danish Consumer Ombudsman's new guidelines for green marketing. Here you see the network. The light green boxes are different types of actors like the NGOs or the trade organizations, while the dark green boxes are specific actors like the Consumer Council. In order to get an understanding of how these actors define sustainability, we conducted several interviews and participated in different conferences and events.
Based on the interviews and the conferences, we have gained an understanding of sustainability, which we understand as a holistic mindset, so it's a framework that lies behind the specific action. And then it's an open-ended process, so it's not a state to be achieved, but a utopian idea to work towards. Sustainability is also context-specific, and it consists of the three dimensions: social, environmental and economic, which should be individually weighted according to the specific context. An assessment at the given level should be made in order to choose indicators to guide the process towards the utopian idea of sustainability.
Based on our knowledge about Udstilles's, we chose some different indicators, which you see here. Most of the indicators refers to social aspects because many of the actors that we talked to say that social is the hardest dimension to work with. We chose these indicators because Udstilles's is a Danish company, and therefore it's a fair assumption to make that they withheld human rights and so on. We focus on the product level, and so far some of the indicators like price, taste, quality and earth connection seems to be what separates the sustainability of the two boxes.
In order to evaluate the indicators and to determine which of the boxes is most sustainable, we have used many different methods. We've conducted a life cycle assessment of the two boxes in order to cover the environmental dimension. And then we have made a questionnaire for current and former customers at Udstilles's in order to evaluate the sustainability indicators. And then we performed a workshop where we did a usability test of the two boxes with potential customers in order to cover the social dimension of sustainability.
We also have other methods planned. For instance, are we going to do a workshop with current customers at Udstilles's in order to generate new sustainable ideas. We still don't know what our final delivery will be, but we can conclude that when working with sustainability, it's a really good idea to have a wide range of methods and different approaches in order to evaluate all the different dimensions of sustainability. We're not going to be able to make a definite definition of sustainability, But we can say that sustainability is context-specific and something you have to define according to your own given situation.